Hey there! Welcome back, quick learners. Ever had those annoying hiccups that just won't go away? Well, fear not. Today, we've got a super easy trick to help you get rid of hiccups in less than a minute. This is Quick Learn TV, your go-to for everything how-to. Let's dive right in. All you need for this trick is a glass of water and a straw. Simple, right? Now, here's the secret move. Take a sip of water, and then, without swallowing, bend over at your waist. Now, hold your breath as long as you can, and take another sip if you need to. The combination of drinking water, holding your breath, and the slight tilt of your body helps to reset your diaphragm and stop those pesky hiccups. But wait, what exactly is hiccups? Hiccups, scientifically known as singultus, are involuntary contractions of the diaphragm muscle, the muscle that separates the chest or thoracic cavity from the abdominal or peritoneal cavity. These contractions are followed by quick closure of the vocal cords, which produces the characteristic hic sound. The exact cause of hiccups is not always clear, but there are several common triggers. One of those is the stimulation of the phrenic nerves. The diaphragm is primarily controlled by the phrenic nerves, a pair of nerves that play a crucial role in the respiratory system by controlling the movement of the diaphragm muscle, which are located near the neck and shoulder. Gastroesophageal reflux, or GERD, may also trigger hiccup. Stomach acid irritating the diaphragm can cause hiccups. Sudden changes in temperature. Consuming hot or cold foods and beverages may stimulate the diaphragm and trigger hiccups. Overeating or eating too quickly. This can distend the stomach and irritate the diaphragm. Drinking carbonated beverages. The fizz and gas in carbonated drinks can cause the stomach to expand, leading to hiccups. Emotional excitement or stress. Strong emotions or anxiety can sometimes lead to hiccups. Swallowing air. This can occur while eating or drinking too quickly, leading to the stomach expanding and triggering hiccups. So, just to recap, take a sip of water, bend over, hold your breath, and take another sip if needed. It's that easy. Most hiccups are short-lived and harmless. But persistent hiccups lasting more than 48 hours may indicate an underlying medical condition and should be evaluated by a healthcare professional. Give this hiccup-be-gone trick a try next time you find yourself hiccuping away. And remember, it's always good to stay hydrated and have a little fun with these simple remedies. Thanks for watching, and hiccup no more! We hope you learned something about managing and treating those pesky hiccups. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel for more interesting content, and hit the bell icon to get notifications.